How to add a coupon code on Temu.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a way to add a coupon code on Temu, first of all, open the Temu app or open up a web browser and type in Temu.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're also logged into your Temu account by entering your correct credentials. Once you're signed into the home page, mouse over to Orders and Accounts tab at the top right and click on Coupons and Offers. Now, you'll end up in this page where you can enter the coupon code in the respective text box provided. Type in your coupon code exactly as it appears in the text box. Once you do, click on Apply on the right corner. If the code is valid, the discount will be added to your Temu.com account on your next purchase. So that's how you easily add a coupon code on Temu. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.